Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm excited to show you this new product I've been developing. It's been in development for, I don't know, several years now. I'm going to finally to a point where I can share it with everybody. So come check it out. Now we are in the shop right now, but if you're anything like me, in your kitchen, you may not have a whole lot of space. We are very space poor in our kitchen, so we don't have a whole lot of space, and some of you may not have a good place to store your kitchenware. And you may be thinking, well, man, I'd love to have guests over and have some sort of nice cookout and whatever, but I just don't have a space to store a cutting board. Well, I've solved the problem for you. In comes the modular cutting board, the first solution for anybody looking for a cutting board to put in their kitchen for parties, to rest meat on after a nice cookout, that you can literally store anywhere. The beauty about this product is it can be broken down into several pieces and put away wherever you have free space. Don't have enough room in this drawer? No problem. Put the rest in a different drawer. And when it's party time, just assemble them in whatever order you like. The best part is, if you've got enough, you can rearrange it into whatever pattern you like. Something to suit any style with one simple pack. Don't hesitate to pre-order these today because these are going to go fast. These are a pre-order, but we've only got a select number available, so you need to call now so you don't miss out. But wait, there's more. If you order right now, you can get 2 modular cutting boards for the price of 1. That's right, we're going to give you 2 of these for the price of 1. 3 easy installments of $72.34, and if you order in the next 15 minutes, we'll throw in a free set of our new modular printer paper. Now you can print in any size that you like just by arranging them in whatever size you need. Don't wait, order yours today.